राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम, राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम, राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम, राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम।
राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम की बात ललित सुमन के साथ कार्यक्रम में नेशनल टीवी चैनल कात्यायनी पर आप सभी राष्ट्रवासियों का स्वागत।
भारत के सड़क परिवहन और राजमार्ग मंत्री नितिन गडकरी ने आज आईआईटी दिल्ली के अलुमनी एसोसिएशन द्वारा आयोजित जन सेवा दिवस कार्यक्रम को संबोधित किया। इस अवसर पर उन्होंने देश के आईआईटियों द्वारा देश के विकास में किए जा रहे योगदान पर चर्चा की और साथ ही साथ उनके योगदान के बारे में तारीफ करते हुए कहा कि आईआईटी सही अर्थों में भारत की सोने की खदान है। इस अवसर पर उन्होंने ग्रीन हाइड्रोजन और देश की गाड़ियों के भविष्य में बनने वाले फ्लेक्स ईंधन पर भी चर्चा की।
It is really a great pleasure and pride for me to interact with you because IIT is one of the important source for all of us for inspiration and motivation for new technology. Today, the IIT, particularly the trained engineering graduates from IIT, they are doing excellent jobs in USA. Many of the IIT students from India, they are now in charge, and their contribution in the field of science and technology is historical and remarkable. I really appreciate your contribution for the country. I always challenge to the people that the innovation, entrepreneurship, science, technology, research, skill and successful practices, we name it as a knowledge, and conversion of knowledge into wealth is the future for the country. You are already thinking about the progressive India, and your contribution is really very big. And for progressive India, the vision is equally important. I always telling to the people that you can donate I, but you cannot donate vision. The appropriate vision for the development is the important need for the country. And today, particularly in the IITs and engineering colleges, the research which is already you are doing is excellent. Now we are diverting toward need-based research. From many days I have experience to working in agriculture, and also as a transport minister I am related with the automobile industry. I know that your contribution is very important. Today, for making progressive India, the most important thing is we have to reduce our import and increase our export. For the increasing the export, we need to have a qualitative production. We need the better technology from the world. But our startup, the people are doing excellent jobs. Now in January first week, I am going to visit to Bangalore to a industry which is manufacturing. They are all IIT graduates. Majority of their partners now in USA, and they are making electrolyzers. Now the hydrogen, green hydrogen is the fuel for the future. Today we have importing the crude oil of 8 lakh crores. And now our IIT graduates, the engineers, the research scholars are doing excellent jobs in the research. And now our idea is to make green hydrogen from the wastewater, biomass, and for that purpose we can use solar energy as a power. In making of green hydrogen, 70% cost is related with the power. Even in the Chennai IIT has successfully implemented one experiment by which they use solar panel, floating panels, by which they get the electricity with the low cost and using the seawater for generating green hydrogen from the water. So I feel that presently our import for crude oil, petrol and diesel is 8 lakh crore, and within 5 years it will go up to 25 lakh crores. So my mission as a ministry, and which I am working from last many years, working on alternative fuels, ethanol, methanol, biodiesel, bio-CNG, electric and green hydrogen. It's really a great pleasure for me in the next January first week that Toyota has given me the car, which I am going to, the car is on the green hydrogen, and I am going to start that experiment to showing the people that this is the technology which is proven. I feel that it's not a big technology. Our Indian startup and engineers are doing excellent jobs. I feel that within due course of time we have electric vehicles, e-bikes, e-scooters, e-buses, everything is there. Our idea is to make e-highways. Just two days before I signed the file for using of Flex engine, it's really a pleasure for me that Toyota, Hyundai and the Suzuki MD has already promised me to make Flex engine where we can use 100% bioethanol or 100% petrol. The IITs are the gold mines for the country. The innovation, the research, startup and the technology, the proven technology, really giving a very excellent contribution for development for this country. I am giving my all best wishes to all of you.
दिन देखिए 8 बजे रात्रि 9 बजे सुबह राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम की बात ललित सुमन के साथ कात्यायनी टीवी पर।
22 वर्षों से प्रकाशित मदर इंडिया पत्रिका, पढ़ते रहे देश दुनिया की खबरों के लिए।
26वें वर्ष में आपके लोकप्रिय समाचार पत्र इंडिया दर्पण का प्रवेश। आप देखते रहे अपने क्षेत्र की खबरें। और अधिक खबरों के लिए आप हमारे YouTube चैनल दैनिक इंडिया दर्पण को अभी सब्सक्राइब करें और नोटिफिकेशन के लिए बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना ना भूलें।